this particular video, as I told you, like one of the reminder things which I wanted to discuss in this particular video, right? So that is thing I will be going to demonstrate you, like what are the set of things that have been added, like what are the changes that have been done. I will explain you. One thing is we have done with create task, right? The same thing which we have done, right? So light minor changes we have done. So I will explain you what are the things. One is the check reminders which we have done, right? And reminders it will be going to set. Okay, let's say see here folks. Okay, so this thing which we have added the library over here from player import notification time and threading. Okay, why? Because we wanted to schedule a reminder at particular interval, right? Let's suppose I wanted to schedule at 7:42 or 7:43, so it will going to give me the reminder. Okay, so that is the main outcome here. So here we are creating a connection to the database, that is todo.db. all right, then another thing is we are just sending the cursor to execute the SQL commands that you guys already know that, right? For creating the task table, so we are going to execute this command. Okay, create table if not exist, table name, that is task id, integer, primary key, task, text not null, and reminder time. Okay, why? Because this thing we will be going to store into our db, so that whenever at particular time interval if it is stored, the particular reminder has to be come over the as a reminder. Okay, that is the main objective overall this particular thing. Okay, this is overall everything is the same. Okay, here we are creating, while creating a task, we are executing one particular query that insert into a task table. Okay, task is one table name and reminder time is a one particular column, right? All right, so what we are going to do, we are just calling back this reminder time. If you just see here, we are taking the input here, right? Is another one thing which I have added this thing. Okay, so this is I am taking as an input with hours and minutes. Alright, this is a particular thing which we have added reminder time, and this particular as an input which we have called it here. Alright, this is a thing, this is a variable which will be going to store the values basically. After this thing, if we have given all the things, it will be going to tell that task is added to the to-do list with reminder at this particular specific time. Okay, all the things is the same. Okay, for the read the task, everything is the same. It will return the task. If you want to update, you can update the task. All right, if you want to what we can say, if you want to delete the task, you can delete that thing. All right, so if you want to check reminder, so what you can do is, while true connection, you will just tell that date time dot now str hour with minutes, hour and minutes. Okay, so what it will do is it will fetch the task with the reminder, it will fetch all the tasks, and it will be closing the connections. Alright, if the task is there, it will be getting the title as task reminder. Alright, and after that it will be going to get the message which we have created. Okay, in the duration in seconds you will be getting the notification. Okay, it will be going to sleep at the 1 minute. Okay, before it checking again and again. Okay, what we have done is here we are using the threading concept to check whether the reminder has already has been done. So what you should do, threading.thread. Okay, in the real-time multi-processing for purpose of that we are doing, and we are just telling that to the thread to execute the process in the parallel, which we have enabled as a true. So that is to execute the main exits. Okay, so we have started that process. Okay, so this is the overall same folks. Okay, one, if you want to add a task, view a task, update a task, same thing. Okay, if you just select the one, right, what it will going to do is it will going to create a task first, it will print the task, it is added to the to-do list, and it will be going to call the check reminder. All right, So let me execute the code so that you will understand. Let me know in the comment section, folks, in the next video, what particular thing that you want to create a desktop application out of this or not. Okay, so I will just show you like what are the things I have created here basically. So I will show you how what is this particular thing will be going to work out. Okay, main.py. Okay, so let me execute this. Okay, what it is telling, to-do list menu, add a task, choose one to add a task. So what a task, tomorrow, okay, in next video I will just write next video, comment down below about next video. Okay, I'm just writing a description about it. Okay, so that you will get a at least idea about it. Okay, this is a description of the task. Okay, so I have added. So let's say now it's a time of 1846. Okay, all right, if I wanted to schedule a reminder at 1847, right? So let's say, yeah, so now we will just wait for the seconds. Now we'll just see how it is we are getting the notification basically. All right, so we'll just wait for that until 1847. Maybe we have received, I guess. Yeah, see here, we got the reminder here. See, so we have got this reminder. Next video, comment down below about next video. Next video, comment down below about the next video. Next task reminder we are getting. Okay, all right. Then next the content of the reminder which we are trying to do that. All right, so this is a particular thing we have achieved up till now, right? To schedule a reminder basically. If you want to see the task basically, right? So I will just give you a next task for you folks. What you have to do is this thing I have done. Okay, I will be uploading into the GitHub. You can just check out the GitHub code and you can just go through the source code. Okay, all right, this is a particular thing which I have explained you how to do the reminder and all. Just do check it out and do pull out the code and just check it. Okay, now what next task you have to do is you have to just check that if it is in a 1 minute, if it is a next day tomorrow, right? So you have to make sure that you have to check the condition that, okay, if it is a tomorrow or 1 hour afterwards, so it should have some condition that if it is not 1 minute gap, if it is after 1 minute, it should break that condition. Okay, it should go to the next condition that, okay, after that it should show the view to-do list menu basically. Okay, all right, so you can just check it out and let me know in the comment down below how the things is there. If you have any doubts, you can just comment down in the description basically. Okay, all right folks, this was a thing with that I wanted to discuss from you folks basically, like how we can schedule the reminder within an application itself, Python programming itself. Okay, all right, this is about this video folks. I hope you like this video. Okay, do share and subscribe to my channel and let me know like in the next video, like next series, what do you like to have. Okay, this was a some small tutorial about about list menu and all. Okay, in the next video, let me know like which kind of a things that you want to develop, like backend things, how you if you want to see how the things is to develop from the scratch. If I get the more likes, more 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 replies from you, then I can make a video on that basically. Okay, let me know in comment down below, folks. Okay, if you just see here, view task. Okay, next video, comment down below about the next video. Okay, this is a description about it. Okay, if you want to update a task, update a task, second, you can add WERT. Okay, so one thing you have to do is, okay, if you are updating a task, so it should check. Okay, another thing, just check that if it isn't updating the task. All right, so make sure that just trying to take a time, just like this, do for the update as well. Okay, check reminders you have done, right? Just like that, do for the another rest of the options. That's it about this video.